How to enter a 1098 form on eSmart tax. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open a preferred browser. Click search bar at top of your screen and type in Liberty Tax and press enter on your keyboard. Then you will reach an official interface of eSmart Tax, where you first need to log into your eSmart account using your credentials. After that, you simply need to locate your tax return for 2024. You will usually find it listed under My Return or similar section. Then navigate to the deductions sections. After that, you need to enter the mortgage interest information such as the lender's name, amount of mortgage interest paid, and any points paid on the mortgage. Also, once you have entered the details, you need to make sure to review the information you have entered to ensure it's correct. Double check everything, including the lender's name and the mortgage interest amount. Now you need to save your progress. And now, before submitting your tax return, make sure to review all the information you have entered, including Form 1098 details to ensure everything is correct and complete. With that, you will successfully enter a 1098 form on eSmart Tax. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.